Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today, as promised, I'm delivering on the smoker here a smoked turkey. Whole turkey that I just uploaded the video of how I made that brine. I've showed you how I've made the turkey legs, I've showed you how I make the turkey breast. Today is a whole turkey. I'm estimating that this is going to take me about 4.5 to 5 hours. It's almost 22 pounds, so that's good. I'm right now cooking at 325. I think I'm going to bump that up to 350 on my offset smoker here. Stay tuned, see how I make this. Macarena boy. So right now I have my turkey out of the brine, and this has been brining for 36 hours. And what I'm doing right now is just making sure everywhere is dry. And you want to get your turkey completely dry. This has been sitting out for about an hour and a half. And I'm just now getting ready to put it on the smoker. What I have done was I've broken the breastbone, so my turkey will lay more flat on the smoker. I have rinsed the turkey off to get that extra saltiness off the skin so that I don't over season it when I add my rub on the outside. I'm going to be brushing now with some avocado oil, and that will help with the coloring and help with the rub staying on the skin. My smoker is already going, and I'm going to be cooking this at 350, and this will be for about 4 to 5 hours. If you haven't seen them already, I have gone ahead and uploaded a turkey leg smoking video, a turkey breast smoking video, as well as a how to make the brine for the turkey. All those are already up. I'll link that playlist right up above right here, so you can go and check it out. And if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You want to get good coverage all over your skin so you can have nice crisp skin all over. I'm using the avocado oil. Nothing special about the oil itself, but I've used olive oil, any other oil. I've never used the avocado oil before. This is a high temp oil, so it will be good for crisping. I just want to see if it's better versus other oils. I'm also going to be drizzling this with butter every hour or so to help crisp up the skin. I'm going to make myself a little rosemary brush, and that's what I'm going to be using. I'm seasoning today with some Reggae spice, sweet and sassy wet marinade under the skin, just a light rub, and some BOOYAH on the outside. So as you can see, I'm going really light on the seasonings because of the brine. I really don't need a lot on here. So I'm just rubbing a little bit of the wet marinade under the skin, not a lot. And I'm trying to not get any on the outside of the skin. Again, because I don't need to. And I don't want to over season the turkey. One thing when you brine, you'll know that there's going to be a fair amount of salt already inside the meat. So on the outside, you really don't need to do much. So I'm giving it a light dusting with the BOOYAH Jamaican seasoning. This is almost a 22-pound turkey. It's 21.89 pounds. So right now it's been an hour since my turkey's been going, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drizzle the turkey with some butter, helping to keep that turkey moist and helping to keep that skin crisp. Watch how I do it. So guys, whenever you are drizzling your turkey with butter, it would be a good idea to use unsalted butter. That way you don't over salt your turkey. Alright? You don't want to brush it, you just want to drizzle. Because remember, you brine the turkey and you have seasoned the outside with a season that more often than not contains salt. So then you just want to eliminate whatever salt you can just to make your turkey edible for everyone. And it's getting everywhere with this dab of butter here. And this is just a few stalks of rosemary I just tied together and made myself a little herb brush. You know, poultry does very well with herbs. I'm just gonna keep this right here on the grill and make it stay warm. Alright guys, so have a look at the bird here. It's looking beautiful so far, and what I'm gonna do is flip it around. That way this wing is on this side and this wing is closer to here. That way it cooks more even. This is at the 2-hour mark. Alright. Alright. And now I'm going to give it another drizzle with my butter mixture. And remember guys, I'm using unsalted butter because I don't want to over salt the turkey. And remember also, you can use any herb you would like. I'm just using rosemary because I have it. You could use thyme, you could use, you know, sage. You could make a combination, or you could just, you know, make that butter mixture and then use whatever brush to drizzle it. So, you know, you don't have to do this the exact way. I really like how the rosemary flavor works with the turkey. So I think on my next hour, I'm gonna wrap the wingtips. So right now, I'm gonna do good. All right. And now I'm gonna probe my breast and see what it's looking. So my turkey breast right now is saying 145 after 2 hours. That's one breast. And the other one is saying 149. So I'm thinking that this will get done before 4 hours. I'm so excited. We'll be back. So right now, guys, we've come to the end of this cook. Turkey is looking beautiful. It's done probed at the thickest part of the breast at 168. So looking good. The skin feels really good because I cooked between 300 and 350 the entire cook. So now we're gonna take a slice off the breast right here, and we'll see how that looks. So right now, guys, my turkey have been resting for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead here, take a slice, and look at that. See? That looks beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, still pretty juicy. And now I'm just gonna take a bite. Okay. That brine worked. I can taste it immediately. Really good flavors from the Reggae spice rub. But that brine, I can taste the allspice, the scallion, the onions. It's beautiful. Not too salty. And as you can see, I rinsed it off initially, and then I used unsalted butter to drizzle the skin. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up and show you guys some pictures of how this one came out. So steps and ingredients are gonna be down in the description below. I'm also gonna be linking the playlist for all my turkey videos right up here. And so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.